Let us solve another problem. Two pipes P and Q would fill tank in 24 hours and 32 hours respectively. If both the pipes are opened together, find when the first pipe must be turned off so that the tank is filled in 16 hours. Okay. So there are two pipes P and Q. Both are inlet pipes only. They can fill the tank in 24 hours and 32 hours when opened alone respectively. Okay, if P is opened alone, it takes 24 hours to fill it. If Q is opened, it takes 32 hours to fill it. Okay, if both the pipes are opened together, find when the first pipe must be turned off so that the tank is filled in 16 hours. Okay, so now here the total time must be 16 hours. Okay, so if these two are opened simultaneously at a time, okay, these will take some time to fill the tank. So here the condition is the total time to fill the tank is 16 hours, such that after certain time the pipe P must be turned off, and after that point Q alone will fill the tank. Okay, so in total it takes total 16 hours to fill the tank. Okay, so here there are two cases. Okay, in case 1 both P and Q are opened, plus in case 2 P will be turned off, only Q will be opened. Okay, so this certain time these two are opened and certain time only Q will be opened, the P will be turned off. Okay, so this will be T1, this will be T2. If we combine these two, the total time must be 16 hours. Okay, so what is T1 value that they are asking? After what time the P must be turned off so that only Q will be opened. Okay, and finally it takes 16 hours to fill the tank. Okay, so this is what they are asking. Actually there is a ready-made formula to solve this, that will be a shortcut method. See, for every different problem, if you have a different shortcut method or a different formula, how many formulas will you remember? That is why I am giving a single approach for all those problems with few modifications, few extra work you have to do instead of remembering all those formulas. Okay, so this, if you practice this, you never forget this. Even if you take 10 seconds more time than the others, this will be permanently in your mind and you can apply this for any problem. Okay, so let us see this, how to solve this. As usual, whenever the times are there, we blindly have to take the LCM. LCM will be 24 and 32. The LCM will be 96. 96 units will be the total volume of the given tank or reservoir or whatever it may be, and that will be the volume. 96 units will be the volume. Okay, so for some time both pipes must be opened. Okay, so if you take the efficiencies for P, it is 1 by 24 of 96, right? So this will be 4 units per hour, and for Q it is 1 by 32 of 96, this is 3 units per hour. Okay, so together their efficiency is 7 units per hour. Okay, if both P and Q are turned on or opened, they can fill 7 units in 1 hour. Okay, so 7 units in 1 hour. Okay, and in the second case it is only Q will be opened, so the efficiency will be 3 units per hour. So in the first case the efficiency is 7 units per hour, and in the second case it is 3 units per hour. Okay, so the total time must be 16 hours. So here up to what time the both must be opened such that the total time takes is 16 hours. Okay, see here you can try with the options. Anyhow the options will be given to you, right? So here we can check with the options. Okay, so if you check with option A, that will be case 1, how much time? 8 hours. Okay, so how much is filled? 8 into 7, that is 56. Okay, and whatever is remaining, okay, out of 96 only 56 is filled. What is remaining? 40, right? So 40 in the sense 40 by 3. Okay, so this will be some around 13, right? So 13 plus 8. Okay, this is exceeding 16. Okay, you check with the second option that is given, that is 9. Okay, so 9 in the sense, if the both are open for 9 hours, okay, it will fill 63. Okay, how much is remaining? That is 33. So it will take 11 plus 9, that is 20, not 16. Okay, and check with the option C, that is 10. 10 means 10 into 7, 70 will be filled. Whatever is remaining, that is 26 units. Okay, so 26 by 3. Okay, 26 by 3, that is around 9 if you take. Okay, so 10 plus 9, that is 19 hours. Okay, so that is also not the correct answer. Now check with the D. So in D it is 12 hours. Okay, if both are open for 12 hours, how much extent of the tank will be filled? 12 into 7, 84 units will be filled. Okay, so then what is, how much volume will be remaining? 96 minus 84, that is 12 units will be remaining, and 12 by 3, that is 4. Okay, so here it is 12 hours and this is 4 hours. 12 plus 4, that will be 16 hours. So option D will be the correct answer. Okay, so like that you can use the trial and error method to solve this. Okay, but you have to completely understand the concept. If you just know the respective times, then you can easily find the LCM with which you can find the volume. Okay, after that, how to solve that? In every problem they will give something new. Okay, so that you have to do it manually. Okay, so you have to practice to write your own expression, or you have to practice to check it with trial and error with whatever the options that are given. Okay, then only you can solve any problem. Okay,